Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I will make the fingerprint sensor test. I will check how fast it works and if it is reliable. We can find the fingerprint built into the display. It's right here. So right now let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, it will be maybe better if I just press on the power key and then make that unlock. As you can see right now, it works very fast, and that's also the good test because I apply tempered glass on the display. So as you can see, we can also check the sensitivity of the display, I mean of the fingerprint sensor. Okay, what I can say right now that it's a little bit slower than the OnePlus 9 Pro, but it's still really fast. I can say that it's one of the fastest sensors that I use in the smartphone. So as you can see, this sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time, and it's also really fast, even with the tempered glass on the display. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.